Understanding the phrase, green-thumbed. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, green-thumbed. It's a term you might hear in conversations about gardening, nature, or even general talent. Let's explore what it means to be green-thumbed and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. Green-thumbed is an adjective used to describe someone who is very skilled in gardening. It implies that a person has a natural talent for growing plants and keeping them healthy. This phrase is often used in a casual and positive context. For example, my neighbor is green-thumbed. Her garden is always full of beautiful flowers. The phrase, green-thumbed, likely comes from the idea that a person who spends a lot of time gardening might have their thumbs stained green from handling plants and soil. It's a colorful way to illustrate a gardener's experience and success. This phrase is similar to having a green thumb, which is used more commonly in some regions. Let's see how to incorporate green-thumbed into everyday language. I wish I were more green-thumbed. All my houseplants seem to die. You must be green-thumbed. This vegetable garden is impressive. Her green-thumbed approach has transformed our barren backyard into a lush oasis. Being green-thumbed is all about having a knack for gardening and plant care. It's a wonderful skill to have and a delightful phrase to use in your English conversations. I hope this video has shed light on what it means to be green-thumbed. Happy gardening and happy learning, everyone!